And so I think it's helpful to understand first what we mean when we say chronic cough. This can be different for younger children, where we think of a chronic cough as having a daily cough for at least 4 weeks. And in older teens and adults, we think about it as having that cough for at least 8 weeks. And there are different causes of chronic cough, including things like asthma, acid reflux, that sort of thing. So one good first step is to connect with your doctor to try to find some answers. Where could this be coming from? Once you get that evaluation, you can get a personalized care plan as part of the treatment regimen.